All right. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna review some changes that I made to that repo that you guys, if you want to pull down at some point, you can. Basically, I fixed that problem where we were having with Selenium, where that was like kind of a lot of the biggest um, hiccups a lot of us were running into was mainly the setup that we had with Selenium. So I fixed that, and I'll kind of go through how I fixed that, and then we'll talk about repo. So basically, before we were running, we had created this whole framework folder structure that I had you guys pull into it. It was kind of overkill for the framework that we're setting, so I removed that and used what's called this hooks. So this hooks file is actually part of SpecFlow as well, and this is just basically allows you to run specific methods before or after scenarios or features are ran. So I'm using a before scenario test context here. And basically all I'm doing is saying, hey, I want you to define what driver is going to be, and the rest of the, anytime any feature file uses driver, I want it to be defined as Chrome driver. And then it basically just creates an instance of a Chrome driver before each scenario. And that kind of takes care of the driver for us. So we don't have to like define it in any of the steps or anything like that. And then I have after scenario, I want it to clean up the driver and quit it. It was a pretty quick fix to be able to set that up before, rather than inside the steps, we were going to have to call it. So in my steps, now my steps are pretty clean. They don't have any driver stuff. So if anyone's interested in that, what that looks like, you can pull it down for free from that same repo that we were using on last Wednesday. Any questions about that?